Hello, welcome to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. It's me, Elizabeth, and this is a very happy sunny day here at the Test Kitchen, and we're gonna make something celebratory. So you might have weddings coming up, parties, and if you want to serve something classic but with a twist, a creamy twist, a birthday cake martini is the way to go. Let me show you how to make this. I have a pretty martini glass and I'm gonna rim it with some honey and of course rainbow sprinkles for that classic birthday cake look. Oh, look at that. Make sure you get it properly on the whole rim. Now we're gonna dunk it in sprinkles. That's the best part. Makes you feel like a kid, definitely. Okay, let's set this aside and get shaking. We're gonna start off by getting in 1 to 2 pumps of our birthday cake syrup. So it's optional. If you want a more deeper flavor, go for more. I'm gonna do 1.5 pumps here. There we go. And if you want it a little extra sweet, again, optional, just go for like 1/2 to 1 pump of our agave. And then I'm gonna drop in the ice. I have 1/2 cup of 1/2 and 1/2. You can use heavy cream, but I think it's a little too heavy, so use 1/2 and 1/2 if you like it lighter. And of course, 1 ounce of vodka of your preference. Let's get shaking. All right, that's good. We have our birthday cake martini already. I'm gonna pour it out into this prepped glass. Oh, look at that. It's all foamy, exactly how it should be looking. And a little sprinkles to top it off. Perfecto. So go give this pretty yummy drink a try, and if you do make it at home, don't forget to tag us at Amoretti on our social media channels on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and TikTok. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, and comment. Cheers! Have a wonderful day.